Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Now let's tap on backup and restore, and for some reason, alright, we do not have the option to add account, which was quite surprising for me, as you probably heard. And so let's simply tap on backup data, which is currently turned on, and we will be immediately transferred to this add a Google account section. Of course, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be simply able to pick it from the list and then enable the Google backup. If not, you really have to do it right now. So let's do it with me. So let's tap on add account and make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. Alright, and let's tap on next. You do not have to enter the full email address. As you can see, your device will autofill the section after the @ symbol. Here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can read it, of course, just tap on it, and here we've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the whole backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on to finish. And here we've got another backup section where you can check the amount of data you've got left on your Google account. You can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can be sure that you will avoid some charges whilst using only the Wi-Fi. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data, and actually that will be all. You do not have to stay here and wait, you can just turn it off completely and do whatever you want on your device. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.